Live from WTEN, this is News 10 at 5:30 on the news station.
It came down to medications that he could not have. They were out there, and we just didn't have the money to buy them.
The system is failing New Yorkers. Today, the first step in complete coverage. Soon everyone living here could have health insurance.
Governor Spitzer is studying ways to get complete health care to all New Yorkers across the state. And it starts with public hearings this fall here in Buffalo, Rochester, Syracuse, and New York City. But today, leaders were back in our area in the North Country. They're actually here in Glens Falls for the first public hearing on why New Yorkers need universal health care. As News 10's Elisa Van Wee shows us, people share their expert opinions and personal stories.
A line of experts and decision makers, including the state health commissioner, listening intently.
To hear from the stakeholders, doctors, hospitals about what works, what doesn't work.
But behind the suits, the stories of real New Yorkers with real problems, like Bunnie Sarro of Saratoga, who lost her husband Patrick to lung cancer when they couldn't afford the drugs prescribed by their doctor, even with his insurance.
The copay was $710. We couldn't afford it. We just didn't have it.
She was a waitress and he was a truck driver. They dealt with cancer and struggled with the bills for more than 4 years.
Between going to the doctors, you know, 2, 3, 4 times a week, sometimes 5 times a week, and the co-pays, and we just didn't have the money.
After Pat's death, things didn't get any better. Bunnie is now living without insurance and doesn't qualify for Medicaid.
The limit for income was $610 a month. You know, I don't have a lot more than that, but I do have a little more than that. Scared to death.
The panel's not just hearing from people today, they're also hearing from doctors and insurance companies to find out what they need and what they're willing to give, so that no New Yorker is left without medicine that might help, like Pat Sarro.
I wonder what if every single day.
In Glens Falls, Elisa Van Wee, News 10.